Thanks for joining my channel. Explore, enjoy. The automotive industry is undergoing a transformative shift towards electrification, driven by the need for sustainable mobility solutions. In this landscape, the Porsche Taycan emerges as a pioneering force, challenging conventional perceptions of electric vehicles, EVs, with its blend of high-performance capabilities, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising luxury. This essay explores the multifaceted aspects of the Porsche Taycan, delving into its innovative design, technological advancements, environmental impact, societal implications, and the future trajectory of electric mobility, the evolution of electric performance. Porsche, renowned for its legacy of high-performance sports cars, ventured into the realm of electric mobility with the Taycan. The Taycan represents a departure from traditional combustion engines, embracing electric propulsion without compromising on Porsche's signature driving dynamics. Central to the Taycan's performance prowess is its innovative electric drivetrain, featuring dual motors, one on each axle, to deliver instantaneous torque and remarkable acceleration. The result is a driving experience that transcends expectations, with the Taycan Turbo S achieving 0-60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, rivaling its combustion engine counterparts. Moreover, Porsche's commitment to performance extends beyond straight-line speed, as demonstrated by the Taycan's impeccable handling, agility, and responsiveness. The integration of advanced chassis technologies, such as adaptive air suspension and rear axle steering, ensures precise control and dynamic stability in various driving conditions. Whether carving through winding roads or navigating urban environments, the Taycan offers a thrilling and engaging driving experience that epitomizes Porsche's legacy of excellence. Technological innovation and connectivity. At the forefront of the Taycan's appeal is its groundbreaking technology, which sets new standards for connectivity, convenience, and user experience. Porsche has leveraged its expertise in automotive engineering to develop an 800-volt architecture, enabling faster charging times and extended range compared to conventional EVs. With the ability to charge from 5% to 80% in as little as 22.5 minutes using high-power chargers, the Taycan alleviates concerns about range anxiety and enhances long-distance travel convenience. Furthermore, the Taycan boasts an array of cutting-edge features that enhance driver assistance, safety, and connectivity. Porsche's advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, utilize sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence algorithms to provide adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking, among other functions. The integration of a high-resolution touchscreen display, voice recognition, and smartphone connectivity enables seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, enhancing the overall driving experience. Sustainable luxury and environmental responsibility. In addition to its performance and technological prowess, the Porsche Taycan embodies a commitment to environmental sustainability and responsible luxury. As the automotive industry confronts the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, electric vehicles emerge as a key solution to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. By transitioning to electric propulsion, the Taycan significantly reduces carbon emissions and environmental impact compared to traditional combustion engine vehicles. Moreover, Porsche has implemented sustainable practices throughout the Taycan's life cycle, from eco-friendly manufacturing processes to the use of recycled materials and renewable energy sources. The company's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the vehicle itself, encompassing initiatives to minimize waste, promote renewable energy adoption, and support environmental conservation efforts. By prioritizing sustainability and environmental responsibility, Porsche not only sets a new standard for luxury automotive brands, but also reinforces the importance of corporate stewardship in mitigating climate change, societal implications, and cultural influence. The emergence of the Porsche Taycan has profound societal implications, signaling a cultural shift towards electric mobility and sustainable living. As consumers become increasingly conscious of their environmental footprint and seek alternatives to traditional transportation, the demand for electric vehicles like the Taycan continues to rise. This shift in consumer preferences not only drives innovation and competition within the automotive industry, but also accelerates the transition towards a cleaner, more sustainable transportation ecosystem. Furthermore, the Taycan's cultural influence extends beyond its environmental benefits, reshaping perceptions of electric vehicles as symbols of luxury, performance, and technological sophistication. The Taycan's integration of advanced features, luxurious amenities, and iconic design elements positions it as a status symbol for environmentally conscious consumers who value both style and sustainability. Moreover, the Taycan's success has spurred interest and investment in electric mobility across various sectors, from infrastructure development to renewable energy integration, fostering a broader ecosystem of innovation and collaboration. The future of electric mobility. Looking ahead, the Porsche Taycan serves as a harbinger of the future of electric mobility, where sustainability, performance, and luxury converge to redefine the automotive landscape. As advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving continue to accelerate, electric vehicles are poised to become increasingly accessible, practical, and desirable for mainstream consumers. Porsche's ongoing commitment to innovation and excellence ensures that the Taycan will remain at the forefront of this evolution, inspiring future generations of electric vehicles that embody the thrill of driving, the elegance of design, and the responsibility of sustainability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Porsche Taycan represents a paradigm shift in the automotive industry, transcending the boundaries of electric mobility to deliver unparalleled performance, technological innovation, and sustainable luxury. With its groundbreaking design, advanced features, and environmental responsibility, the Taycan embodies Porsche's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence while embracing the imperative of sustainability. As society embraces electric mobility as a cornerstone of a cleaner, more sustainable future, the Porsche Taycan stands as a beacon of innovation, inspiration, and aspiration for generations to come. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and don't forget to like our vid for more interesting and informative videos.